Hey guys, we're here at my new listing right here in Egret Point, and this is what you get in the $500,000 range, in this case the higher $500,000 range, right here in the luxury resort community of Riverbridge. Welcome to 141 Egret. Come on in. We're actually walking into what would be considered the formal living area for most people. Lovely separated space. As you can see, they've got it set up there with a very large TV that actually transfers with this particular home. We're going to come in here. We've got the garage entry right there, which most people like the garage to be pretty close to the kitchen. So you're just walking through what could be either a formal dining room, or some people might use this as a den area or put their office in here. A lot of different uses for this. You don't really need this as a formal dining room because there's a couple other dining options that we're going to look at. If you come on through here to the kitchen area, you'll see a couple of them. Now, this kitchen has just been redone with beautiful quartz countertops. It's got all very nice stainless steel appliances, matching fixtures for the sink. So it's a beautifully done little area. It has one of your dining options is right here. It has room for basically 4, and if you want to put one on this side, you can actually put 5 stools so that you can have in kitchen dining. We'll also check out the dinette section in a minute, but one of the nice things it has is an additional pantry feature over here, which is a nice deep pantry that's built in. And then over here, we have the utility, laundry, and additional storage, which is really nice to have. And having your air conditioner inside the house is very, very nice to have, because this will extend the life of this. I mean, it might double it from some of the ones that are out in the garage, and particularly the ones that are up in attics. So really nice thing to have. You have your laundry in here as well, plus a ton of extra storage. Then we're gonna move on to here, which would be the more family room vibe, a little more relaxed vibe. You've got your dinette area here too. The layout of this house was designed so you can have some separation, but maintain that open feel. And as you go through the house, you feel that, because you can see from right here into what we talked about, the formal dining, into the formal living, out onto the screened-in porch, or lionized, like a lot. I don't know why we call it that. It's still just a screened-in patio. But one of the features of this home too is that the owner honestly has no use in their space for all this furniture, so she's going to leave almost all of it here. And man, it's all really nice Tommy Bahama furniture, which I actually love. So especially if you're coming down looking for a seasonal place, I mean, this would be almost turnkey without having to pay all the additional price for that. You just got to bring your linens and your toothbrush, and you'll be good to go. So, again, the screened-in living area out there. It's got a nice little bar and stuff like that. It's a nice thing to have, and it's a nice private backyard for the type of living it is. And the homes in this circle kind of form this large courtyard area, which is really nice. You get a lot of nature out there. So we're going to go down this hallway right here, and we are going to go into the primary bedroom. Now, this bedroom is very large. This is, again, big, Tommy Bahama furniture, oversized poster bed. Very big walk-in closet over here that actually has a built-in safe that's bolted to the floor. That'll come with the property, which is always nice to have for all your documents, or if you want to throw your jewelry in there, some cash. Plenty of room. It's actually got a little seating area right here. Again, leads off to the screened-in living area. And then we have a very large bathroom with a Roman jetted tub and dual sinks and everything that you want in that area. And we're gonna go down here, down the hall to the other bedrooms. And actually on the right, I was gonna do this last, but you can do it over here. So we have a nice, large, secondary. This is for the secondary bedrooms and for guests. And you could put a pocket door in there if you wanted. If you have kids and you want to be able to have some of the kids, brush their teeth and do their thing here. Close the door there. There's another sink and vanity in there. The restroom, the shower, all that sort of stuff. These are pretty decent size, for secondary bedrooms. There's 3 of them all together. This would be number 2 over here. And the last one they have set up is actually an office. They've got a built-in over here. A lot of people work from home, so it's really nice to have that feature. but you could use it as, you know, a regular bedroom or anything else you want to. Legally, that closet area where they've got the built-in, you would have to install a closet with, you know, any size with a door, but it does fit the requirements and the needs. All right, so let's go back out here, and we're gonna go back to where all of this started. And I just want to go over a couple of the other great features of this home. Number one, this home has a brand new roof, which is huge. If you want to look at some of my other videos talking about insurance and, you know, why a roof is so important, or the accordion shutters that we mentioned when we came in, all of the appliances are newer. You know, none of them are brand new, but they're all newer and, you know, they're all in good shape. The garage is actually large and oversized, but as the owner is moving, it's full of their stuff. Actually, the owner's pretty much moved out, so this property is available for, you know, quick move-in. But it's still got a lot of stuff in the garage, so I don't want to go show you pictures of boxes because that does nobody any good. Anyways, got any questions about this house, give us a call. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Living in South Florida Does Not Suck. Please do subscribe with the notification bell on. If you liked today's guest, you can also get more information about them right here. Like magic, it will appear. Anyways, we love having you here. We love having your friends here. Shout it out from the rooftops. Like us on Facebook. Share it with your friends. We'll see you soon here in beautiful, sunny South Florida.